Hello learners, how are you? I am hoping that all of you are well. In this particular video, we are going to continue the series of coordinate geometry and we are going to solve exercise 26A. Now look at the question number 1. Read it carefully. It is written that for each equation given below, name the dependent and independent variables. Now I am taking here question number 3. X is equal to 5y plus 3 by 2. Okay, and as we know that if we change the value of y, then value of x should be changed. Means in this particular equation, x depends on the value of y, hence dependent variable is x. And independent variable is y. Simple, this is your answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is plot the following points on the same graph. And I am going to plot only 4 of these. There are total 9 questions. Which is I am going to plot question number 1, that is 8, 7. Question number 3, which one is 0, 4. Question number 4, which is question number 5, sorry, not 4, 3, 2 minus 2. And question number 7, which is minus 3, 0. Okay. So first you have to draw a Cartesian plane in a graph copy or a graph paper like that. X O X dash, Y O Y dash. Simple. And mark them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our Cartesian plane. Now first point is 8, 7, means value of abscissa is 8 and ordinate is 7, means value of x is 8 and ordinate is 7. As you know that any point can be denoted in the form of x, y. So value of x is 8 and value of y is 7. Now value of x is 8, so we are going to draw it like that by dotted lines, and value of y is 7, so it will be like that. Now this is your point, that is 8, 7. Simple. Our next point is 0, 4. So value of x is 0. So value of x is here 0 and value of y is 4. So it will be here, that is 0, 4. Now our next point is 3, minus 2. So value of x is 3, hence it will be like that, and value of y is minus 2, so it will be like that. Since they intersect at this point, so the value of this point will be 3, minus 2. Our last point is minus 3, 0. Here value of x is minus 3, so it will be here, and value of y is 0. So when they intersect, so they will intersect at x-axis, which is here, minus 3, 0. Simple. And remember that you have to draw this Cartesian plane in the graph paper. Okay. Question number 3 of 3 is 5x minus 3y comma y minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. Now look at this. By comparing it, we can say that 5x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is our equation number 1. And y minus 3x is equal to minus 4. That implies we can write it as y is equal to minus 4 plus 3x. Now take it as equation number 2 and put the value of y from equation number 2 to equation number 1. Then it will be 5x minus 3 into minus 4 plus 3x is equal to 4. Now by solving it, we have 5x plus 12 minus 9x is equal to 4. That implies 5x minus 9x become minus 4x plus 12 will be minus 12 when we take it from left side of equal to the right side of it. Then it will be 4 minus 12 become minus 8. That implies clearly value of x is 2. Now put this value of x into equation number 2. Hence y is equal to minus 4 plus 3 into 2 will be equal to minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. That implies x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. You have your answer. Very easy, right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is use the graph given alongside to find the coordinate of the points satisfying the given conditions. And question number 1 of 4 is the abscissa is 2. Here look at the graph carefully. Abscissa is 2 means the value of x will be 2 and the value of x is 2 for 2 points, that is point number A and point B. The value of A is 2 comma 2 and for D is 2 comma minus 4. You have your answer. Okay, so solve all of these in the similar manner. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is in each of the following find the coordinates of the point whose abscissa is the solution of first equation and ordinate is the solution of second equation. So we are going to solve question number 2 of it, and the question number 2 of question number 6 is 2a by 3 minus 1 is equal to a by 2 comma 15 minus 4b by 7 is equal to 2b minus 1 by 3. So now we are going to solve this equation as well as this equation, and it is said that the solution of this equation is abscissa and solution of this equation is ordinate. That implies from 1 we can write it as 2a minus 3 by 3 is equal to a by 2. That implies 4a minus 6 is equal to 3a. By solving it, we have a is equal to 6, and from here we can write it as by cross multiplication 45 minus 12b is equal to 14b minus 7. That implies 52 is equal to 26b. That implies clearly b is equal to 2. Now we have the solution of equation 1 and solution of equation 2. That implies coordinate of point is equal to first abscissa and then ordinate. Abscissa is 6 and ordinate is 2. So the answer is 6 comma 2. Simple. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is in each of the following the coordinates of the 3 vertices of rectangle ABCD are given. By plotting the given points, find in each case the coordinates of the fourth vertex. Now we are going to solve question number 3 here. That is A is equal to minus 4 minus 6. B is 6 comma 0 and D is minus 4 comma 0. So now we are going to plot this in the graph paper. Always remember, you have to do it in the graph copy. So draw two mutually perpendicular lines, that is x-axis and y-axis, in this manner, and mark them as xo, x dash, and yo, y dash. Now I have a Cartesian plane here, and now mark all points, that is -4, -6. So x, value of x will be -4 and value of y will be -6, hence it will be here. So this is our point A, that is -4, -6. Now we are going to plot point number B, that is 6, 0. Here the value of x is 6 and y is 0. So y is 0 in this line and x is equal to 6 is here. So this will be our point B, that is 6, 0. Sorry, it is point C. So this will be our point C, and point D is -4, 0. So it will be here -4, 0. So now we have a diagram like that. So B should be somewhere here, which will be 6, -6. So this is your answer. So you have to write it here. That imply B is equal to, from the graph, it will be 6, -6. Simple. Now I think all questions of first exercise will be easy for you. So solve it and let me know if you have any doubts.